Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can fix suspended shop on Etsy. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for etsy.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be sent to this web page. Here, scroll down to the bottom and click on Go to Help Center. After that, the Etsy Help Center will open up. Inside it, you will have two sections. One is shopping and the other one is selling. Simply select the second one and search for account suspended. Now give it a go and a bunch of FAQs will be displayed. Here, click on the File and Appeal feature and then you will have the option to file an appeal. Once you click on it, a bunch of options will be displayed. Simply select the I haven't violated Etsy's policies statement and then enter the information being asked. After that, submit the appeal and you will have to check for it daily as you won't get an email from them. That's how you can fix suspended shop on Etsy. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.